Hi all, welcome to Clear and Concise. Let's have a look at this question. Here a cantilever beam is given. We need to find the moment at the fixed end. Here moment at the fixed end due to the forces 6 kilonewtons and 4 kilonewtons. Now let's draw the free body diagram first. So here 6 kilonewtons force is acting, which is 1.5 meter away from the fixed end, and there is a inclined section that is 1.5 meters in the length. The remaining distance is also 1.5 meters, and here a force of 4 kilonewtons is acting in this direction, 4 kilonewtons, which is making an angle of 30 degrees with the horizontal axis. This is horizontal axis. Now first let's resolve this 4 kilonewton force into horizontal and vertical components. So vertical components, it is 4 sine 30. This is 4 cos 30. Now the total distance, perpendicular distance from this part is, so it is 3 plus, here the distance is 1.5 and it is making an angle of 30 degrees. So the horizontal distance is 1.5 cos theta. So 3 plus 1.5 cos 30. This is the total distance from fixed end to the vertical component of the force. Vertical component of the force. Now the other distance is the vertical distance with the horizontal component of the force is 1.5 sine 30. So 1.5 sine 30, the vertical distance, this distance. Now let's write the moment. Moment is equals to force into perpendicular distance. Force times perpendicular distance. So force is 6 kilonewtons and perpendicular distance is 1.5 plus, here the vertical component of 4 kilonewton force is 4 sine 30. So 4 sine 30 times total distance is, perpendicular distance is 3 plus 1.5 cos 30. 3 plus 1.5 cos 30 plus another component, here horizontal component of 4 kilonewton force is 4 cos 30. So 4 cos 30 times perpendicular distance to that force is 1.5 sine 30. So 1.5 times 6 is 9 plus 4 sine 30 is 2. 2 times 3 plus 1.5 cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So 3 plus 1.5 root 3 by 2 plus 4 cos 30 is 4 times cos 30 is root 3 by 2 times 1.5 sin 30 is 1 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 twos are, again 2 2 gets cancelled here. Now it remains 1.5 root 3. Here also, like if we multiply this and simplify, we will get 20.2 kilonewton meter. 20.2 kilonewton meter. So the correct answer is option D, 20.2 kilonewton meter.